Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for chatbot integration. Integrating ChatGPT into a chatbot involves establishing a communication interface between the chatbot application and the ChatGPT model. Here's a general overview of the steps involved in using ChatGPT for chatbot integration. First is choose integration approach. Decide between API integration or SDK integration. Next is set up OpenAI API access. If using API integration, sign up for an API key and configure your OpenAI API access. Third is design chatbot input and output. Determine how user queries will be sent to ChatGPT and how the responses will be processed and presented within your chatbot interface. Fourth is implement integration logic. Write the code to handle the integration, making API requests or using SDK functions to send user queries to ChatGPT and receive responses. Last is test, iterate, and scale. Thoroughly test the integration, gather user feedback, iterate on the implementation, and ensure scalability as user traffic increases. Remember to refer to the specific documentation and guidelines provided by OpenAI for detailed instructions and considerations related to the integration and process with the ChatGPT. So I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!